Welcome back to my channel, guys. You're studying here with Mr. Sa again. As you see in the background, in this video we'll be still studying a little bit on percentage, and we'll be studying on how we are going to find the unknown number of a percentage, or in other words, we're going to find percentage of an unknown number. For example, if they say 20% of something is equal to 500, what is that something? All right, guys, so let's begin. So let's say we have an example. Let's say 5% of, let's say, something is equal to 220. All right, guys, 5% of something, we don't know this value, but what we do know is 5% of this number that we're going to find is equal to 220. So we are going to find this number. So let us say, since we don't know the number, let us say we call it x. Okay, guys, we don't know the number, so we are going to call it x. So now we are going to change all of this into full mathematical number term. So let us say, so 5%, if you know this, that 5%, we are going to convert it into a fraction. So 5% is 5 over 100. Okay, guys, and of means multiply. So let's say this. So we have 5% changes to 5 over 100. So we have 5 over 100 multiplied by x is equal to 220. All right, guys, so we have 5%, which is 5 over 100 multiplied by x is equal to 220. And we are going to find the value of x now. So what we do is we have to get rid of this fraction, or in mathematical terms, we have to transpose them. Okay, guys, so we can do it in two steps. Either we can find a reciprocal of it and transpose it to the other side, or we can do it one step at a time. So if you don't know reciprocal means, so a over b, the reciprocal of a over b will change to b over a. Okay, guys, so that is the reciprocal. So in other words, to the power of -1. Okay, guys, so let us do it step by step now. So what do we have here? So step number 1, let us get rid of this denominator. So we know that it is 5 divided by 100. So when we transpose this 100 to the right hand side, it will change to multiplication. Okay, guys, so what do we have now? So when you transpose it, everything else on the left hand side will be exactly the same. So what do we have on the left hand side? We got 5 multiplied by x is equal to, so we did not touch the numerator at all. We are only getting rid of this denominator. So 5 multiplied by x is equal to 220 multiplied by 100. Okay, guys, so 5 multiplied by x is 220 multiplied by 100. Now what we are going to do is we are going to get rid of this 5. Okay, guys, we are going to get rid of this 5. Just think about it this way. We want variables, the unknown value, to be by itself, and all the numbers we want it to be with the numbers. Okay, guys, so numbers with numbers, variables with variables. As simple as that. So now let us transpose this 5 to the right hand side. Now we know that it is a multiplication term, so when we transpose it, it will change to division. Okay, guys, multiplication, when we transpose to the other side, will change to division. So now we have x is equal to 220 multiplied by 100 over 5, or in other words, divided by 5. Okay, guys, so now we have x by itself. X is by itself. So now let us simplify. We know that 5 and 100 can simplify easily, or we can also simplify 5 and 220. Okay guys, whichever way we want. So let us say we are going to simplify 5 and 100. 5 will change to 1 and 100 will change to 20. Okay guys, because 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 5 multiplied by 20 is 100. So now what do we have? We're almost done here. So we got now x is equal to 220 multiplied by 20. Alright guys, now 220 multiplied by 20, you guys can go ahead and multiply it, but it's pretty easy to multiply. We got 0, 0, so we put 2 zeros, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 again is 4, so the answer is 4,400. Okay guys, let's do maybe a few more questions. Let's do maybe one more question. Let us say we have 15% of something is equal to 600. Okay guys, 15% of something is equal to 600. Let us say we call this something A. We are going to find the value of A. Again, step number 1, we have to convert the percentage into a fraction. Now we know that 15% is equal to 15 over 100. Okay guys, so let us write that. We got 15 over 100 multiplied by A is equal to 600. Okay guys, 15 multiplied by A is equal to 600. Now the last question, question number 1, we did it step by step, where we first transposed the denominator and then we transposed the numerator. But in this question, I'll teach you another method by finding the reciprocal. Okay guys, so let's say we got again A over B to the power of minus 1, which we say is reciprocal, is equal to B over A. Okay guys, in other words, what we'll be doing now is we'll be transposing this fraction to the right hand side of the equation. Okay guys, so on the left hand side we still have A is equal to, on the right hand side we still have 600. All right, now here's the thing. So when we transpose this to the right hand side, so what we do is we still write it as multiplication, but we swap the numerator and the denominator. So when it goes to the right hand side, we multiply it by 100 and divide it by 15. Okay guys, the reciprocal, so we have 15 over 100. The reciprocal of this is equal to 100 over 15. So what did we do? We transpose 15 over 100 to the other side and we multiply it by its reciprocal, so 100 over 15. And now we can simplify them. Simplify, super easy. We know that 15 and 600 can go with each other. So 15 multiplied by 1 is 15. And we know that 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. And that's one more 0. So we have one more 0 here. So 15 multiplied by 40 is 600. And now what do we have here? A is equal to 40 multiplied by 100. So A is equal to 4,000. Okay guys, so what do we have here? Instead of last question, we transpose the denominator and then transpose the numerator. We just transposed the whole fraction and we multiplied it by its reciprocal. Okay guys, yeah, okay, here we go. I'm leaving this here for you guys to do it. You can go ahead and do it, and once you finish doing it, you can comment the answers if you want, And again, if you have any question on these questions, please comment below. I will definitely solve it and help you guys out. As again, I hope this video helped you guys, and thanks for coming and checking this out. Again, if you like the video, please leave a like, and also please subscribe so you'll get to know when I upload a video. And again, guys, it's evening here, so we'll be ending this video, and it's Mr. Sa again signing out. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day.